Nandito po kami sa Kugon Market.
Hello guys, we're the fake Konyo.
Because I'm an Englishera, halata.
Fake Konyos here in Cagayan de Oro. Parang ayoko na dito.
Nah! No!
Inner Konyo.
Let your inner Konyo come out.
So how was the food experience pa pare?
Oh, it's so masarap. The food here is so masarap.
What are you craving for right now?
I don't know do you want tusok-tusok?
No, parang I don't like it.
Something grilled or frito?
Ayoko. Parang
How
I'm
about sisig?
no, parang I'm craving
You want rice?
no, I don't feel like rice today. Too much carbs.
I want to try the butter.
Magkano po yung ano?
13
With egg. With siomai? Okay.
Yung kuya how much? 30? I'll get one.
Yeah. Isa po yung ano, yung bihon. Apo.
Medyo maangal ito ka, magilan?
Okay lang. I like spicy.
Is this masarap ba, kuya? Masarap? Masarap?
Nakalagyan
Sure.
ko ng palapatan. Apat na kutsara.
Apat na kutsara. Ano nga? Apat na kutsara, be.
Is it spicy?
Makaresi nga lang yan. Tulog. Yun, suray.
Spicy ba to?
Apo. Have you tried palapa before? Have you tried palapa?
What's that?
Ay, ako.
Oh. Pero I'm trying it for the first time.
Excuse me, kuya. Magkano yung siomai?
5.20 yun.
5.20? Okay. Ay, ako lang magkuha po. Thank you. Do you want siomai?
Can I get some my din, kuya?
Siligan na yun. Ito yung maingit mo.
Ay, okay lang.
Like, can you do it?
Ang problema.
With egg wala.
5 na ba yan?
5, yeah.
Okay.
So, please, man? Coke Sprite. Ilang tumas?
How is the butter? It's good?
Alam mo yung spicy na to?
Oh, really? I haven't tasted it.
Gana? Oh my goodness.
One eternity later.
Kuya, how much po yung 50 po? 25 na lang po. Kuya, what kind of mais is this po? Sweet corn? Okay.
Fritz, I think you should eat ng maraming ganito. Kasi it's...
What's that po, kuya? Condensed. Dito lang po. And then, what's that po? Cheese. Okay. Ay, wag na po. No margin. Ang ka na nakadura. Ikaw, Jay, you want some?
No.
Why?
You should try.
You should try this. It's so delicious kaya.
Do you think it's masarap?
Of course. You sure? Ayaw mo?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
I can libre yun naman.
Okay, unique libre me.
Yes.
We're trying to buy. We're buying food.
Oy, Kirby!
Ifondo pare.
What's up, guys? I'm here at Pakals Tabor.
But late ka na. Yeah, we're like mana. We're like mana.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I tried their lechon kawali with double rice. Super sulit, mga pre. Try nyo na, punta kayo sa Macogo Night Market. Pakals Tabor. Like, sheesh! Excuse me po. Excuse me po, ate. How much is the pagkain po?
50, double rice, 50.
Uy, look
At-
at their kawali, pre.
Yung drinks
Parang
po, how much po?
25.
25? Pot po to, diba?
Tay, magkano po yung dinosaur? Dinosaur.
Sige nga, I'll try the lechon kawali double rice. Tas add mo na rin yung
Wala po kaming pera.
drinks, ate.
Uy, pare, may pera ka ba daw?
Magkano ba gusto mo, boy? Marami akong Mountain Dew po.
Sana all.
Hi po, how much is it? 50 and 70? You want? You want to? 50? We'll buy the 50, kuya. We'll buy the 50. Only one. 50, yes. Yes po. Is this good, kuya?
White sugar.
You put, money here. Money? Oo. Thank you. Thank you po.
Excuse me po, ate. Magkano po yung puto bongbong?
I want puto bongbong with cheese.
75. Ano karami po yung cheese?
Ito lang.
Ito lang?
Are you deaf?
What is the English of malagkit rice? Ay, sticky rice. Ah, okay.
Nakakainis! Nakakainis!
Okay, sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
Are you sure you don't want? Like taste?
Wait lang, mama.
Ay, apa.
Excuse me, ate. Magkano yung corn dog? Parang tanong na.
Thank you.
Okay.
बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया